Galatians 5 verse 14.
Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oluchi. If you don't already know that, that means you're new to my channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notifications bell to become a member of the Oluchi M family, because we are growing, glowing, and it's forever movement. So today, you guys, I have an amazing hair review for you guys. You guys can see it. You can see the product. You can see the finished look. I honestly feel like I actually tried to snatch and did a fairly good job, because I actually have to customize this all by myself. So if you guys want to know more about this hair that I'm rocking right now, see a little bit of how I customized it, installed it, styled it, all that good stuff, but please keep on watching. So the hair I'm trying today is from Arabella hair. The 13 by 4 lace front chocolate brown body wig in length 22 inches. And so first off, obviously it's definitely true to length. I do have curls in it right now, so I'm gonna have to pull them down, but I don't want to because I really worked to style this hair and I really wanted to stay just this way. So the frontal did not come like customized. It's not 3D HD lace or anything, so you definitely do have to do some work to it to get to this point. I didn't bleach the knots. I probably should have, so I ended up just using like my powder and like foundation and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I have to go back in and pluck the hair. So I had initially tried at first to just put it on there and see how it looked, and I didn't like it because it was way too full for the style that I wanted to achieve. So I ended up taking it off, and then the next day plucking it, and then here we are. I pretty much just styled this hair, and I'm gonna insert clips of how like I styled the hair and what I did to like get this hair to where it's at right now. So pros of this hair, I definitely say it holds a curl very, very well. I wasn't sure if it would or not, just because when like I was plucking it and stuff, it was kind of getting a little bit like what's the word? It seemed like really coarse, so I wasn't sure how well it would take it. But the curls have been actually super pretty, and I think it's taken it very, very well. And then even as far as just styling, you like I put the wax stick on it, and just go the way you're putting it. You don't really have a lot of like flyaways with this hair, if that makes sense. So I think those are definitely two pros I can definitely say about this hair. Cons, I would say I'll just have to see like longer term how well it's going to perform. Also because like the lace wasn't like already customized. I'm used to wearing lace that it's like at this point you have it like I can just throw it on, so it's definitely not beginner friendly. You can't just throw this hair. You cannot just throw this hair on. You probably have to either like, if you can't do it yourself, get somebody else to like actually style it for you, because it's super full. So for I mean, there's some people that maybe like a full hairline. I'm not really sure. That's not for me. But if you do like a full hairline, this is, I guess this will be your go-to girl. But you know, just wasn't that for me. Overall though, I think, you know, I really do love this hair. I love how it turned out, how I was able to just wear it and bring it up to here. Again, I didn't have to bleach the knots, and it still looks pretty decent, so I'm really happy with that. I also really love the color and the richness of this hair. So it's like, it's supposed to be like a chocolate brown, but I also feel like a sense of like ginger. I don't know how it's going to come out on the camera, but then it's like, it's not a deep brown, it's like much lighter, and it's like I think it has like, it feels like it has a hint of orange. I don't know, but that's what it looks like to me in real life. So I actually really love the color, because when they said chocolate brown, I already had another chocolate brown wig, and the other one is like really deep chocolate, and this seems like either like a lighter chocolate, like it's like the ginger type of stuff, and type of color. So this brings me to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys love this look on me. I really am feeling this, and I hope that it's something that I can continue to improve on, like lay my hair and snatch. I even tried to do like the swoop on like my sideburns, and that's not something I ever do. So I'm really proud of how everything came out looking. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like this hair, if you feel like something that you're willing to try. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next one. Stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.